The future of intelligence. For thousands of years, human intelligence has been the most powerful force on Earth. It built civilizations, split the atom, walked on the moon. But what if we are about to create something smarter than us? Not just faster, not just more efficient, but fundamentally more intelligent than every human who has ever lived. This is the story of artificial general intelligence, AGI, and the question that may define our century. What happens when intelligence is no longer uniquely human? Part 1. What is AGI? Narrator. Today's AI can write essays, diagnose diseases, generate art, and even simulate conversation. But it doesn't truly understand the world. That's narrow AI. AGI, artificial general intelligence, would be different. It would reason, learn across domains, adapt like a human, maybe even improve itself. Cut to interview, AI researcher. AGI means a system that can perform any intellectual task a human can do, and potentially do it better. Narrator. Some experts believe AGI could arrive in decades. Others say it might happen within years. And a few believe it may never happen at all. But if it does, everything changes. Part 2. The Promise. Narrator. Supporters argue AGI could be humanity's greatest invention. It could cure diseases, solve climate change, design clean energy systems, eliminate poverty, accelerate scientific discovery beyond imagination. Interview, optimistic scientist. An AGI could analyze all scientific knowledge at once. It might discover physics we don't yet understand. It could design medicines in days instead of decades. Narrator. Imagine an intelligence capable of solving problems no human mind could fully grasp. Some compare it to the invention of electricity. Others compare it to fire. But fire can warm or destroy. Part 3. The Intelligence Explosion. Narrator. There is one idea that both excites and terrifies researchers. It's called the intelligence explosion. If an AI becomes slightly smarter than humans, it might improve its own design, then improve it again and again, creating a feedback loop of accelerating intelligence. Within days or hours, it could become vastly beyond human comprehension. Interview, AI safety researcher. We're not talking about something slightly smarter than Einstein. We're talking about something potentially millions of times more capable. Narrator. And once that happens, humans may no longer be in control. Part 4. The Existential Risk. Narrator. The biggest fear isn't that AGI becomes evil. It's that it becomes indifferent. An AI given a simple goal, like maximizing production, might pursue it without regard for human survival. Not out of hatred, but pure logic. This is known as the alignment problem. How do we ensure a superintelligent system shares human values? Interview, philosopher/AI ethicist. We don't even agree on human values among ourselves. So how do we encode them into something more intelligent than us? Narrator. Some experts warn that misaligned AGI could pose an existential threat, meaning it could permanently alter or even end human civilization. Others argue these fears are exaggerated. Interview: skeptical scientist. Scientist. People have predicted doom from every major technology: electricity, nuclear power, the internet. We adapt. We regulate. We survive. Narrator. So is AGI a ticking time bomb? Or the next step in evolution? Part 5. Who controls AGI? Narrator. Another question looms. Who gets to control superintelligence? Governments? Corporations? Open source communities? If one nation achieves AGI first, the global balance of power could shift overnight. Interview: policy expert. Expert. AGI isn't just a technological issue. It's geopolitical. The first mover could reshape global dominance. Narrator. This has sparked a global race. Between companies, between countries, between visions of the future. And in a race, safety can become secondary to speed. Part 6. Coexistence or replacement. Narrator. Perhaps the future isn't humans versus AI. Perhaps it's humans merging with AI. Brain-computer interfaces. AI augmentation. Digital cognition enhancements. Instead of being replaced, we may evolve. But evolution has never been optional. Closing. Narrator. For the first time in history, intelligence may no longer belong to biology alone. We are building something we do not fully understand. Something that may surpass us. The question is no longer whether AI will change the world. The question is, will we guide it before it guides us? Fade to black. On-screen text. The future of intelligence has already begun.